Energy Dynamo! Energy Dynamo! Dynamo, the Dynamo, Energy Dynamo, 9000, 9000. It's the Dynamo, the Energy Dynamo, 9000, 9000. Oh, yo guys, it's Down 9000 here, and welcome to my 19th Skylanders Swap Force overview. Benton parody style. Anyways, I got another awesome character in here, and he'll show up in a moment. Alright, here he is. This is Wind Up, or as I like to call him, Old Toy. This guy can use those short circuiting claws, spin that wind up to get that crank up to you know, get more energy, and he can also shoot springs as well as various other attacks. So let's check out this guy in action in 3, 2, 1, boom! Aw yeah, what's going on guys? Welcome to the 19th Skylanders Swap Force overview featuring Wind Up, aka Old Toy. So without further ado,
Playing by the numbers.
from Wind Up to Old Toy. Old space Old Toy. Oh yeah. Now that we got that all done and done, let's take a look at this guy's powers.
Lots of moving parts.
Alrighty. Short circuit. Press B to attack nearby enemies with sparkling claws. Wind up. Press C to wind up and damage nearby enemies. Winding up is needed to perform more powerful attacks. Overcrank stabilizer. Press C rapidly to fill the wind up needed. And full. Press the C to overcrank. During overcrank, press B to cause large explosions that damage nearby enemies. Wind and weapon. Press C to wind up, dealing increased damage and pulling enemies in. Spring shot. Press Z to shoot a spring shot that launches enemies in the air. Attacking launched enemies will deal automatic critical damage. Power pistons. Press B to deal increased punching damage. Okay. And then I went for the symbols path. Hold C to charge a symbol attack. Release to attack all enemies in the way with a pair of symbols. Crash symbols. Symbol attacks to increase damage. An easy way to crash any party. Remember that, guys? Toy gun. Hold Z to shoot rapid fire suction cup projectiles at enemies. Although some of you may go for the boxing path. Wind up punch. Hold B to charge up a boxing glove punch. Release to damage to deliver a massive punch to enemies. Auto wind up. Taking damage automatically adds to winding up. Power crank. Press C to rapidly to begin overcranking, which now pulls enemies in and deals bonus damage. And then there's a Soldier ability. Spring loaded crank. Speed is increased. Automatically wind up while running. So without further ado, let's get this party started with an awesome mission. The second to last one, in fact. After that, we're just gonna repeat the ones again, I guess. Hey, what else are we supposed to do? What's this? Brings the stolen roll that actually the queen of the turtles. Alright. Let's do this. Let's wrap this up.
Those meddlesome Greebles have stolen the Turtle Queen's eggs.
Oh, no.
You must return the eggs to the royal nest before any harm can come to them.
Understood. Bring 6 eggs to the royal nest. Be careful, you get hit, you lose the eggs you're carrying. 2, 1. Go, go, go! Oh, wait, so the queen can have six kids? That's gonna be like that's gonna be quite a lot of childcare necessary. Can I? It would be handy to have a book on parenting. Yeah. Oh shoot. Shoot. Yeah. Egg. Taco! Egg! Watch out for the bridge. Ouch.
Egg lost.
Yeah, I noticed when I got blown up. Shoot. I have like 60 health now. That's no good. Can't get hit by any more mines. So we gotta be careful in this zone. Now. Ooh, better grab that burger. I'll need it. Sweet. Not now. I gotta deliver this queen. Deliver the eggs. Then I'll have time to play with these goons.
A turtle has returned. Keep going.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, let's keep going here, though. Dynamo powers in the mix. Oh gosh. Mines and eggs. That's not cool. That's not very cool. Ah! Too close. Too close, man. Too close. 4 eggs. They're right. Time to bail. Ooh, taco! I need that. Alrighty. 4 eggs to Her Royal Highness. Oh no, you don't! You guys are not egging it on anybody. Aw, yeah. Yeah! Aw, yeah. Wow, Wind-Up looks like a ballerina when he does that. Oh, shh. More enemies. Oh gosh, watch out for the cannons. Watch out for the cannon fodder. Burger might be good at a time like this. Evacuate the area now. Wait, where's this lead to? Oh jeez. I do not want to lose this egg, bro. It's not happening. Not today. Not today. 5 eggs out of 6. Where's the last one? No, I didn't do the symbol attack. I just realized that, you know? That zone of enemies might be the perfect place to use that attack. Ouch! Charge! Now that's sound logic right there. Oh yeah. Oh jeez, 2 goons. 2 goons. Where's the last egg? Oh wait, I think I know where it is. Oh yeah. We have time to kill to take care of these guys. That pretty much covers every attack we have. Oh wait, I almost forgot about these attacks. Except that attack, I haven't shown you that one, which is an awesome one, by the way. But, and it's pretty powerful, but can't really like show you right now. But anyways, we got it done. Boom!
Thanks to you and your Skylanders, the royal eggs have been returned to the grateful Turtle Queen.
Oh yeah. I'd really like to meet the king too, just saying.
Bonus mission completed.
Oh yeah.
Welcome back to Woodboro, hero of Cloud.
Alrighty guys, so that about covers it for our 19th Skylanders Swap voiceover review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. In the meantime, gotta rock and roll and rumble. And check out our channel for some more. And as you time, awesomeness. Don't forget for me next video, it's the Damo sign off. Oh, and don't forget to check out my awesome website, www.energytown9000.com. Anyways, see you later guys. Wallet take, I'll rock and roll and rumble. Boom.